चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 2.3। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द रिमाइंडर व्हेन x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1 इज डिवाइडेड बाय। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज x प्लस 1। तो सबसे पहले हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे x प्लस 1 की जीरो बाय पुटिंग x प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0। सो फ्रॉम हियर we get x equal to minus 1. So therefore the remainder will be equal to p of minus 1. Now putting x equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial, we get minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 square is 3 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and plus 1. So from here minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out and 3 minus 3 cancelled out, so which is equal to 0. So therefore the remainder is equal to 0. Now the second part is x minus 1 by 2. So first of all finding the 0 of x minus 1 by 2 by putting x minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. So from here we get x equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the remainder will be equals to p of 1 by 2. Now putting x equal to 1 by 2 in the given polynomial, we get 1 by 2 cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8 and 3 into 1 by 2 square is 3 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 3 by 2 plus 1. Now taking LCM as 8, so we get 1 plus 6 plus 12 and plus 8. So from here it will be equal to 27 by 8. So therefore the remainder is 27 by 8. And the next part is x. So first of all putting x equal to 0 to find its 0. So x equal to 0. So therefore the remainder is equal to p of 0. Now replacing x with 0 in the given polynomial, we get 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So here it is 1. So remainder is equal to 1. So next part is x plus pi. So first of all we will find the 0 of x plus pi by putting x plus pi equals to 0. So from here x equal to minus pi. So therefore the remainder will be equals to p of minus pi. Now putting x equal to minus pi in the given polynomial, we get minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Minus pi whole cube is minus pi cube plus 3 minus pi square is pi square. So 3 pi square. 3 into minus pi minus 3 pi plus 1. So this is the remainder.
And the next part is 5 plus 2x. तो सबसे पहले इसकी 0 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So by putting 5 plus 2x equal to 0, which implies 2x equals to minus 5, and from here x equals to minus 5 upon 2. So therefore the remainder will be equal to p of minus 5 upon 2. Now replacing x with minus 5 upon 2 in the given polynomial. So minus 5 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 and plus 1. So minus 5 upon 2 whole cube is minus 125 upon 8 plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 whole square is 25 upon 4 plus 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. So it is equal to minus 125 upon 8 plus 3 into 25 75 upon 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. So taking LCM as 8, so it will be equal to minus 125 plus 75 into 2 is 150 minus 15 into 4 60 and plus 1 into 8 is 8. So minus 125 minus 60, it will be equal to minus 185 and 150 plus 8 is 158. So it will be equal to 27 minus 27 divided by 8. So the remainder is minus 27 by 8.
So the next question is find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So let p of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. हमने रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करना है when this polynomial is divided by x minus a. So first of all, finding the 0 of x minus a by putting x minus a equal to 0, we get x equals to a. So therefore, the remainder is equals to p of a. Now replacing x with a in the given polynomial, we get a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a, which is equal to a cube. A into a square is again a cube. 6 into a is 6a minus a. Now a cube cancelled out. So 6a minus a is equal to 5a. So therefore 5a is the remainder.
Next question is check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So अगर हम किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करें, से 6 को हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं 2 से, तो 2 3 is 6, so we get remainder equals to 0. So here the remainder is 0, so therefore we say 2 is a factor of 6. The same case happens with the polynomial. So in this case 7, we want to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. तो यहाँ पे हम रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. If the remainder becomes 0, then we will say the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So let p of x equals to 3x cube plus 7x. So first of all, we will find the 0 of 7 plus 3x by putting 7 plus 3x equal to 0. So 3x equals to minus 7. So from here, x will be equal to minus 7 upon 3. So therefore, remainder will be equals to p of minus 7 upon 3. So by putting 3 x equal to minus 7 upon 3 in the given polynomial, so 3 into minus 7 upon 3 cube plus 7 into minus 7 upon 3. So 3 into minus 7 cube is minus 343 upon 27 minus 7 into minus 7 is minus 49 upon 3. So 3 9 is the 27, cutting होगी, which is equal to minus 343 upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. So taking 9 as LCM, so it is minus 343 minus 147. So after adding, we get minus 490 upon 9, so which is not equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे देखा हमने कि रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आया, So therefore we can say 7 plus 3x is not a factor of given polynomial.